Hi guys, this is Farm Boy CJ. We ran into a homeless guy. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. I don't know what the hell that is. Maybe a real, but off topic. So we made it to the bridge. We're gonna stay here, see if we get anything. Which we probably will. I think a train might be coming. I'm not 100% sure. I keep hearing rumbling sounds and rails grinding, but I don't know if a train's coming or not. I don't see anything. Shit. Somebody might be down here. We gotta watch. I saw fire. We should be fine. But yeah. Made it to the bridge again. There it is. I swear to God, I think one's coming. I don't know. Okay, I'm pretty sure one is coming. But for this train, if one does come, we made it to the bridge. The other bridge we're gonna try to go to, that goes over the CSX track, which is on the Geneva track, which goes to the Geneva. This goes above it. So, yeah. I'll let you guys know if a train comes. So, yeah. Farm Boy CJ sent out.